These guys to make sure that the distance is exactly what they want for our first show of the day. Second rider out. Yes, I'll tell you a little bit more about him in a minute. Our last rider, fresh off tour, one of the busiest riders in the business right now. If you know Freestyle, you'll know all about him. Alright, we're set. Each rider's ready to go. Make some noise from Sydney. Let's go! Our second rider, all the way from New Zealand, but now resides here on the Gold Coast. A very talented rider, Callum Shaw. And this guy here needs no introduction. Oh yes, if your camera's not charged, unlucky, because we're going to go massive. Tweaking it out there. Indie style, straight up tricks. I keep saying it to you guys. If you want more tricks, you need to get as loud as possible. If you want these guys to go upside down, you really need to make some noise. Oh, laying it back there from top out and up in the sky. Look at the guys all the way up there in the bar. Can you hear me? Have a wave up there at the bar. Whoa! Rock solid style there from Lance Russell. Let go of the bike.
Bloody hell.
You guys are very quiet, so I'm going to ask you. Hey, Gold Coast, can you hear me properly over here?
No.
When I say freestyle, you guys say feels, alright? Freestyle! Come on, do it again. Freestyle! Oh yeah, inside over here. Guys, make some noise when I say freestyle. You say freestyle! Oh, these guys were louder. Have a listen. Freestyle! Maybe, let's try again. Freestyle! Oh, yeah. Whoa! Don't forget when you make some noise. 9 o'clock knack from Callum Shaw. Whoa! Oh, Pat. Just doing it all indie style with a one-handed seat grab. Have you had enough, Gold Coast? Whoa! Off the side. Man, these flames are hot. Look to the sky right now, too strong. Whoa! Callum Shaw.
Kiwi.
Alright, looking back, Paddy's pulled in. When you got the best in the business, just having a look at the boys and see how they go. As we come into centre stage, Pat Bowden's already here, Callum Shaw. And now, as he comes back, make a little bit of noise now for Lance Russell. Oh wow, you guys are awesome. Should we pack it up now? Have you had enough? Well guys, you are very, very quiet. You have 3 of the best freestyle riders in